Guys, welcome Moni.
Oops, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, very good.
कैसे चल रहा है लॉकडाउन?
अब चल रहा है.
I loved your sketches and your paintings. Yeah.
Yeah, I have to start another one. Last 2 days I was just hooked. I've not been doing anything.
You read. You always read a lot. I know, and I was like loving that also. मैं read ही नहीं कर रही हूँ यार.
I'm reading. I'm going to talk about actually this one book called Four Agreements. Once I finish reading it, I'm going to ask you to read it as also, and I'm going to ask everybody else to also read it.
What's it called?
One of the
Four
most
Agreements.
fantastic books I've read. It's non-fiction. Yeah. And this other
Okay.
book by Michelle Obama that I started reading, and I'm still like, I'm becoming very good. And autobiography.
I know you always suggest me all good stuff.
How have you been? I'm literally seeing you after so long.
Really, like so long.
मैं क्या कर रही हूँ पता है पूरा दिन I'm like become so lazy. I'm not reading definitely. I'm just sitting. I am watching something or the other or just sitting with dad watching movies. That's all I'm doing and I'm eating. पता है मुझे midnight cravings हो रही है. I eat ice creams and all. And guess what I got for you? I couldn't get orange biscuit, so I got
Oh, memories.
chocolate cream.
Anybody who doesn't know, in both the seasons of Nagin, me and Ada used to hog on orange cream biscuits, and we used to complain that we were putting on weight. But the next day, at the same time, around 4:30, Ada will be like, "What's his name? Oh shit! What was his name?"
Dolraj.
Dolraj, our favorite person. Dolraj, चाय लेके आओ और मेरे बोलती थी डोलराज ऑरेंज क्रीम बिस्किट है जी मैम, और वो निकाल के 2 ऑरेंज क्रीम बिस्किट के 2 पैकेट देते थे और हम 2 पैकेट खा जाते थे.
And Arjun used to take it from us, guys.
हाँ.
And एक और एक चीज मॉनी ने मुझे Vampire Diaries actually मॉनी की वजह से मैंने Vampire Diaries देखा है. And we used to talk about Damon so much.
Ada was obsessed after that. Anytime we entered the van, she didn't want to talk. She didn't want to know gossip. If you had to give her some gossip, she had to go. Ada, what happened? She's like, oh, okay. What are you doing? I'm watching this, and I knew her attention was just like not at me. I said, what happened? She's like, I'm at a really interesting episode of Vampire Diaries. I'm like, okay, yeah, fine.
Damon and Claude was my favorite.
Everybody's favorite.
Everybody's favorite. And
Can you imagine? We're living in like the scariest times, right?
What?
I can't. I said we're living in the scariest times.
I know, yeah.
I mean, I can't imagine that we're alive. This is happening in our lifespan. This pandemic.
But we'll have stories to tell, Moni.
We would, but you know what I mean. Like,
I know.
not a great story to be a part of.
It's definitely not, but I'm just taking it like, just trying to be as much as positive I can. या उससे ज़्यादा हम कर भी क्या सकते हैं because everybody is getting so frustrated. और यहाँ पर also is extended till the 30th April.
Yeah, I heard.
है ना? And it's
तुम क्या बता रहे
serious everywhere. हाँ?
What were you going to say? You were saying something इससे पहले.
I was just saying all the funny बातें of Nagin. Yeah, I was just sit and talk, eat. Because yesterday someone was asking me what is one thing that you miss in Nagin, about Nagin. और मैं सबको ये कहती हूँ कि हम बस आते थे सेट पे और हंसते रहते थे पागल जैसे.
We were just such a fun group of people.
Yeah, remember the chroma we used to tie नीचे जैसे.
And ours was the first season. There was just so many trial and error,
So many. And they're restarting Nagin on Colors from tomorrow.
Achha, the shoot have started?
No, rerun. Nagin done.
Really? I didn't know that.
Tomorrow from 9 o'clock.
Chat together.
Yeah, that's what happened. I was wondering what a coincidence. I didn't know. I saw people posting about it, तो मैंने देखा. And guys, Moni बहुत pranks करती थी मुझ पे.
मैं कुछ नहीं prank करती थी. अर्जुन prank करता था खाली.
No, Moni भी करती थी. She used to tell me selfie and she used to make a video.
Yeah, I started it. The best was I was going to say something I forgot. हाँ, so initial episodes में ना आपको बता दूँ. This is also trivia. Ada used to be slightly quiet. She's not talk so much. वो तो खैर second season तक आते आते कुछ और ही बन गई थी. हम सबने पागल कर दिया था उसको. But otherwise, she was just like the calmest, nicest person on set, and you know, and I used to be always talking so much or singing out loud, or doing some naughty or drama on set. And the days I will talk a little less, no, then Ada would come to me and be like, "Is something wrong? You're not behaving like yourself. You fought with somebody or what?" And I'd be like, "I had to fight, so I'm not talking."
I used to always get to know जब Moni का mood खराब होता था. I used to get to know.
और अदा इतनी अच्छी, उसका मूड बहुत कम खराब होता था बेचारी. जब तबीयत भी खराब होती थी नहीं आपका होता था, but your reactions are so calm ना, you don't remember, like even if you had to be like she's really angry and seething and she's shot for like 18-19 hours and still Ada is like, आपको पता है मुझे इस वक्त घर जाना था और घर जाने के बाद मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना था, आप लोगों की वजह से मैं जा नहीं पाई. And I'm like eating my crisps and looking at her saying, this is her getting really angry. Like when I used to hear like about the story and what she's going through, I used to feel like it's there, like it's that level of discomfort, but her reaction would be like, so it was fun.
मेरे गुस्से का अर्जुन भी बहुत मजाक उड़ाता था.
And Arjun also here.
No यार, 3 लोग नहीं ऐड हो सकते.
ज़्यादा हाँ.
You can't add यार.
We all have done like so many shows, and you know, it's not like me and Ada like constantly talking every single day, but those 2 seasons of Nagin, the time spent was so good. The quality of the time was so good. We were both such honest people, especially to each other, and we treated each other, all of us actually, everybody on that set, we treated each other with so much love and so much respect. That's something that the human beings on the set of Nagin we really, really miss, and we really, really treasure, because it was an honest friendship, I think, है ना?
Yeah, and we used to share everything, yeah.